In section 3.2, we talked about finding slope given a graph and given 2 points. When you're given a graph, you want to use the formula m, which stands for the letter of slope, is equal to rise over run. Now, rise is your vertical distance or your up or down distance. If you travel up, the number's positive. If you travel down, the number's negative. Run is your horizontal distance. If you travel left, it's negative. If you travel right, it's positive. So I usually start at the leftmost point, that way I'm consistent throughout the problems. However, if you start at the rightmost point and you count rise over run, your answer will still be the same, okay? So if we look at example 1, okay, my leftmost point is marked for me. In order to travel to my other dot, I have to go down 1 block. Now down's negative, so my vertical distance is -1. Whereas when I go left or right, I have to travel to the right 1 block, 2 blocks, or 3 blocks to the right is positive. That makes my slope down 1 or -1 over 3. If you look at number 3, once again, if I start at my leftmost point, in order to get to my other dot, I have to travel downwards. Down is negative, so I have to go down 3. And I have to travel right, which is positive 2. So my slope is my -3 over 2, because it's always your vertical distance over your horizontal distance. If you look at example 5, if I start at my leftmost point, I actually have to travel up this time in order to get to my other point. And I travel up 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block, 5 blocks, which is a +5. And I travel to the right 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks. So my slope is 5 over 3, because it's always rise over run. Number 7 on the front, if I start at my leftmost point, I have to travel downwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks, so down 6, which is a -6, and to the right 2. So my slope is -6 over 2, which simplifies to -3.